Sawyer is going to get his first chance to look at a school bus up close. Look, Sawyer. This is a big one. It's a big school bus.
It's a dirty bus, but you're welcome to go in it.
Look, Sawyer. You've never been in a school bus. He's only 2.
Well, he's not afraid.
No. He's a very adventurous little guy. Look at that guy. Climbed in all by himself. Sawyer, look.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. Look
You
down
can sit
the
in the
road.
driver's seat. Try to drive it.
Sorry, look, you can sit in the driver's seat even. Look at all those controls. What do you think?
Yeah, every time I go to the grocery store and some other little kid's got to come up. Come on in. Good to teach them. Let them
What do you
see.
think of that, Sawyer? Yeah, that's a fire extinguisher, I think. In case there's a trouble, in case there's an accident.
You walk all the way to the back if you want.
You want to walk to the back? You want to go down the row? I'll go with you. Come on, Billy.
Long way down there.
That's a big, big bus. Here we go. Oh, wow. It's your first time ever. It's a big bull bus. Look at that. Isn't this is where I'd sit. What do you think of it, Soy? Big school bus, huh? Yes. Get off the school bus? Okay, we'll get off. He's getting off. He's coming up. Alright. I'm going to take him off.
I don't know how